I mean it. I mean it. I mean it. أنا أعني ذلك. أنا أعني ذلك. I mean it. I will not concede my right. I will not concede my right. Or we can say, I won't concede my right. I won't concede my right. لن أتنازل عن حقي. لن أتنازل عن حقي. I will not concede my right. Don't falsify the truth. Don't falsify the truth. Or we can say, do not falsify the truth. Do not falsify the truth. لا تزور الحقيقة. Speak your mind. Speak your mind. Speak your mind. قل ما لديك. Or قل ما يدور في ذهنك. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? هل هذا واضح؟ I'm lost. I'm lost. Or we can say I am lost. I am lost. أنا تائه. We have come to terms. We have come to terms. We have come to terms. لقد توصلنا إلى اتفاق. We have come to terms. Free admission. Free admission. Free admission. دخول مجاني. Free admission. Of his own free will. Of his own free will. Of his own free will. بمحض إرادته. Against your will. Against your will. Against your will. ضد إرادتك. Or رغما عنك. Against your will. I feel bored. I feel bored. I feel bored. أشعر بالملل. I feel bored. Based on what I can see. Based on what I can see. Based on what I can see. بناء على ما أستطيع رؤيته. Good deeds. Good deeds. Good deeds. الأعمال الصالحة or الحسنات. Bad deeds. Bad deeds. Bad deeds. أفعال سيئة. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. نبقى على تواصل. Let's keep in touch. First of all. First of all. First of all. أولا قبل كل شيء. First of all. We have to listen to each other. We have to listen to each other. We have to listen to each other. علينا الاستماع لبعضنا البعض. I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay here. Or we can say, I do not want to stay here. I do not want to stay here. لا أريد البقاء هنا. Be frank with me. Be frank with me. Be frank with me. كن صريحا معي. Be frank with me. I'm worried. I'm worried. Or we can say I am worried. أنا قلق. I am worried. I'm worried. Frankly. 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 بصراحة. Let's talk frankly. Let's talk frankly. Let's talk frankly. لنتحدث بصراحة. لنتحدث بصراحة. Let's talk frankly. The main issue. The main issue. The main issue. القضية الرئيسية. The main issue.